ग्लोबल स्पोकन इंग्लिश फर्राटेदार अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखे मात्र 90 दिनों में।
My respected teacher and my dear friend, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Mr.Ghulam and I live in New Jersey and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. So firstly, I would like to thank the director of GSC who gave me a golden chance to speak to here. So I would like to tell about education. Education is the most important in our life. Without education, you cannot achieve anything in your life. So I would like to tell one by one. Education is important in your life future, and it helps us to learn many new and good things, and it develops problem solving skills, and it helps us to learn many new and good things and many more. So education is the passport to the future, or tomorrow belongs to prepare for it today. So if you ever feel that I have failed in my life, then you say this line with confidence. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says I am possible. So I would like to tell some line in Hindi. सफ़र की हद है वहाँ तक कि कुछ निशान रखें, चले चलो जहाँ तक कि ये आसमां रखें, ये क्या उठाए कदम और आ गई मंजिल, मज़ा तो तब है कि पैरों में कुछ थका रखें. So I would like to finish. Thanks a lot for your attention.
सलाम बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,